The general elections that will be taking place on the 8th of November in Burma will be a crucial turning point for our country. For the first time in decades, our people will have a real chance of bringing about real change. This is a chance that we cannot afford to let slip. We hope that the whole world understands how important it is for us to have free and fair elections and to make sure that the results of such elections are respected by all concerned. A smooth and tranquil transition is almost more important than a free and fair election. Through this transition, we hope to take our country to that point where there can be no return from genuine development in the democratic direction. Please help us by observing what happens before the elections, during the elections, and crucially after the elections. This is the best contribution you can make to peace and progress in this country, by ensuring that our people feel their will has been respected and that their will has been respected in the way of genuine political and governmental change. Thank you.